channel. Okay, so I did a red look and I loved it, and I thought, what other color can I do? And I thought purple is my favorite color, and why not put a swing on the typical holiday colors and do purple. I did a glitter cut crease. It's actually really simple, guys. You can wear this to any holiday Christmas party. If you're interested in getting this look, how to do this look, or just seeing how I created it, keep on watching. I'm starting with my eye already done on this side, BB cream on my face, and my brows are done. And I already primed this eye, and I'm about to start with my Juvia's Place palette. It is the Masquerade mini palette, and I will be going into this color here and just adding it to my crease. Then I'll be taking this brown shade here called Ada to blend out the purple that I just added. Then I'm going back and adding some more of that purple shade. Next, I'm grabbing my Ruby Kisses light nude concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. So for the areas where I kind of messed up on my crease, I'm just going to go back in that same purple color with the flat brush and just touch up around where the mistakes are. Next, I'm going to take my LA Color Shimmer eyeshadow. It's a loose powder, and I'm going to put that over my crease. Next, I'm taking my NYX Glitter Primer, yes, and I'm going to place that over top of my lid as well. Next, I'm taking my, I don't know if it's pronounced as Simadu or Kamadu palette, I don't know, it's 15 glitter shadow, and I'm going to take this color here and place it on top of the glue. I'm going to switch from this flat brush to a tiny flat brush just to get the corner and the tiny spots that I can't get with the larger brush. Now in the outer corner, I just want to deepen the color, so I'm going to add this purple shade here, and it's a shimmery shade, and I'm going to add it to my outer corner. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go off camera, put on my lashes, and finish my face, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette and taking the purple shade once more and going under my lash line. I'm taking my LA Color Shimmer Loose eyeshadow. This time it's in like a pearl white color. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments. And let me know what you're doing for the holidays. You know, what you want for Christmas and stuff like that. Please make sure you subscribe. I said comment. And please click the bell so you won't ever miss my uploads. Because you want to see me. Love you guys. Bye.